Hi everybody, welcome to Momentum Stock Traders. In this video, I want to teach you something that's amazing. It is one of my favorite strategies for people who do not want to trade during pre-market hours. For whatever reason, maybe you just aren't available during pre-market hours, or your platform maybe doesn't allow you to trade during pre-market. Whatever it is, this strategy works like a dream, okay? And for my trade plan members, every day I post the most profitable trades that are going to occur during the day. I post those. I post a trade plan for them in the trade plan room. So they know what to look for, and it's going to work like a charm every time. So we worked with 3 stocks today, and I'll go through them and I'll teach you this strategy. You're going to love it. Okay. First stock that we traded was APGN. And as you can see, I drew this blue line here, which was the pre-market low, and then this here was a pre-market high. And so I alerted everyone at 7:28. I got in at 7:38 on this candle, and my trade completed at 7:50 this morning at $2.35 for an 86-cent per share gain. That was a beautiful trade. It worked out beautifully. It tagged that level twice. Clear and simple trade to make based on the pre-market high and the pre-market low, watching trend direction, looking for the setup at that level that you need it to go to, and then taking it to your target. See, it's important to know what your targets are going to be. It wasn't this pre-market high. It was another level that I based on the daily chart. Okay. The next stock that we worked with was SOXL, which is a oil ETF. And I alerted it at 6:47 my time, which was right around here. Broke above this little pre-market high level, this blue line, which I drew right here. And this was the low. So it had been trading along, and it broke above this blue line, which I put in based on this previous high. And I just waited for that setup after opening bell. And as you can see, it had made a new high right here. And then it sold down to this blue line, which was the pre-market high, this line right here. Got my signal at the pre-market high at $11.43 was my entry, which was pretty much the top of this first candle on that signal. And then I knew my target was going to be $11.90, and it hung out at that price range quite a bit. I went above it here. I didn't trade here because I was looking for a different setup over here. This one, I was just basing it on this little setup that I'm teaching you, okay, based on pre-market high and lows, all right? So this was the buy candle at $11.43. My target was $11.90, and I made 47 cents per share. It wasn't huge, but for an ETF, that's not too bad, okay? The next trade we took was AEHR. This one was tricky because it was a lower volume stock, but I traded it anyway because I saw the setup and it was hitting the scanner. So here we have this pre-market high level, which I draw my line right there. This line is actually the opening price level, this light blue dash, and here's the low, okay? Alerted my trade plan room right here on this candle. Got in on this next one, which was $25.85. My target was 27, which is this line. So I knew that was plenty of range, and I just waited it out and rode it all the way. It went a little bit higher, $27.46, but I got out right in here at actually $27.18 for a $1.33 per share gain on the day. For a total gain for the whole day, $2.66 per share for 3 trades. And I was done before 9 o'clock. I'm telling you, this is a really easy way to trade. Just look at your pre-market levels, look for the setup at either this level, the open or the low, and then get in, okay? And then take it to your target. So you can plan things out way in advance. You know how much money you're going to make before you enter the trade. And if it makes sense, go ahead and take the trade. So if you need any help getting your chart set up, one who can follow trends and reach targets, plan out your trades based on targets and actual setups like this, just reach out to me and I'd be happy to work with you. I'll probably be doing a special later this month where I am going to give away free temporary access to my trade plan room. And that way you can see how I set things up, and you can see my watch list. You can see my trade plans, logic, what targets I'm shooting for, and just waiting for the setups and whatever other alerts that I may have on there. If that's something that you think would be helpful to you, keep watching my videos and I will let you know when I'm going to make that available. I'll have it only available to a limited number of people because I don't want my room crowded. I do have mentoring clients in there that I work with on a one-on-one basis as well. So I'm trying to keep my focus on them, but I'd be happy to help you guys out if you're interested in my trade plans. Probably one of the most profitable and highest accuracy trading groups out there. So it's worth looking into. And if I can help you, I'd be happy to. So look forward to that. I'll be announcing that here in a week or two. I don't know exactly when I'll be doing that. I will announce it in one of these videos that I put out for you. And if you have any other questions, let me know. And we'll talk soon. Have a great day.